Everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about another specific food, grape jam or jelly. All right, so why am I talking about grape jam or jelly, not just jams or jellies in particular? Because I already just said jellies in particular a couple months back. I'm talking about grape jam or jelly because, well, I like it for one particular reason. Grape jam and jelly is higher in vitamin C than a lot of the other jellies are, and it's higher in the antioxidants. So do your research, check it out, look into what other jams and jellies that you may like and what benefits they have for you. So this is going to be a real short one here, but I really suggest, think about checking into jams and jellies, but specifically grape jam and jelly. Now, you can also grow your own. Grapevines grow just about everywhere in the United States. So you can grow your own grapes, make your own grape juice, make your own grape jam, jelly, however you want to process it. So look into it, check it out for yourself. All right. Remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps, water, food, medicine, clothing, and whatever else you're going to need, not just to survive, but to thrive. Why? Well, this is why.